You are enjoy watching I Love My Body TV, health and beauty tips for all. Hi friends, how are you? I pray to God for you to be healthy. This is your favorite channel, the channel that gives you useful health and beauty tips. Okay, watch this video about how to get long hair fast. Tips number 2. Each of us, no matter if we have short, medium or long locks, we all want healthy hair. Cause is there anything more important than stunning locks? Do you realize that with time passing you're likely to give up on long hairstyles because you simply will not get pleasure from how your hair looks? You might have your healthy looking hair with no trouble. You just must follow few simple yet significant routine on each day basis. If it's worth it, yes, and yes. Healthy eating plan is without doubt one of the essentials we want to pay good attention to. Weak, damaged hair is usually the issue of inappropriate diet, which does not include vitamins plus minerals your hair wishes. You should not even think about buying new hair shampoos, hair conditioners and other hair care products before checking your eating plan. That is certainly crucial for healthy hair. I hope you consume fruits and vegetables each day. So why? Our system is being nourished with vitamins and antioxidants. Other products your hair desires are whole grain products, source of important minerals, almonds, nuts, full of vitamins E and B, butter, spinach, broccoli and carrots for vitamin A. Silica and zinc are key microelements responsible for the condition and health of your skin, curls and nails. Also include pumpkin seeds, oysters A and D, parsley within your diet plan, excellent sources of zinc, and drink horsetail tea to provide silica to your body. Don't simply buy any hair shampoo or conditioner accessible in the store. Check what hair type you possess, and when buying hair products, hair shampoos or hair conditioners, pick products intended for your hair type. If you have damaged hair, it will be good to use rich, creamy hair shampoos. If you're the one going to spend many hours on the sun, do not forget to apply special products to defend your curls against the high temperature and damaging ultraviolet rays. Your hair may stay damaged by overusing hair straighteners and other heat-producing tools. All you must is to follow 3 shared recommendations, and soon enough your locks should return to its normal beauty. Just one more point: don't expect that if you wash your hair on everyday basis you will benefit from good-looking, healthy locks. It is in truth not suggested to wash every day, as your hair desires natural oils from your scalp, and once you shampoo you simply get rid of the oil. Hair extensions are the best option when you want a new look. You can get the long hair you've always wanted without the use of inefficient hair growth products. A professional stylist can give you the right style using quality hair additions. If you want long, strong hair that flows down your back, you can have it in an instant. That's right, you don't have to wait years to grow lengthy hair. And you no longer need the hair greases, oils, shampoos, and other products that promise quick hair growth. Instead, how can turn to the excellent services of a hairstylist. A good stylist can provide you with beautiful, natural-looking hair extensions that meet your desires. All you have to do is make an appointment to have the long flowing hair that you have always wanted to feel blowing through the wind. It can be frustrating if you have thin or thinning hair that seems to grow very slowly. Having short, fine, and thin hair can make it difficult to achieve different hairstyles and try different looks on your own. With the help of a beauty professional, you can get the look that you want. Your hair is an important part of your physical appearance. When your hair is pretty and well groomed, you tend to feel better about yourself. You deserve to have the highest level of confidence possible. So if it's always been your dream to wear long, swinging hair, you should see a stylist today. Hair extensions can provide you with thick, strong hair. There are many benefits to getting hair extensions. One advantage is versatility. Added hair is not permanent. You can go from short hair to long hair instantly. And after enjoying the additional hair, it's just as easy to have it removed. This way you can enjoy sometimes wearing your own tresses, and other times wearing long styles. Another advantage is that added hair looks very natural. Of course, the other alternatives to hair additions are wigs. But wigs often look unnatural and oddly shaped. A professional stylist will find the right added hair for you so that it will look as natural as possible. You will not be able to tell that the hair is not your own. Many people turn to hair extensions to get a new look. Through exploring different looks you can even discover a style that is more suitable for you than any others that you've had before. Going to a salon can help you become more adventurous in the styles that you try. If you're tired of the same old hairstyle, cut, or color, a professional hairdresser can help you navigate through for it looks so that you can find a new one. Getting longer hair might be the change that you need to find the confidence you've always wanted. Perhaps a longer length of hair will frame your face better or serve as a more becoming look than any other. Hair extensions have become a popular way to achieve long hair. If your hair is not growing fast enough, a good option is added hair. A professional can beautify your complete look. Get the confidence you need by finding the style you've always wanted. Be the Rapunzel that you want. Health Articles, January 13, 2011. Are you getting impatient about growing your hair to think that you have already used a long list of hair products but still to no avail? Maybe you should try using some natural remedies to resolve such malady this time. Normal 0 false Microsoft Internet Explorer 4 style definitions table. MSONOR multiple, MSO style name, table normal, MSO style row band size, 0, MSO style col band size, 0, MSO style no-show, yes, MSO style parent. MSO padding alt, 0 inches 5.4 pt 0 inches 5.4 pt, MSO para margin, 0 inches, MSO para margin bottom, 0.0001 pt, MSO pagination, widow orphan, font size, 10.0 pt, font family, Times New Roman, MSO ANSI language, number 0400. MSO Far East language, number 0400, MSO BIDI language, number 0400. Yes, there are actually cheaper and natural ways on how to grow long hair fast if only you will research about it. Here are some tips and tricks you may want to follow if you are truly bent on growing your hair fast and easy. 1. Have your regular hair trim. If you are truly serious about finding out how to grow long hair fast, then the first thing that you will need to do is to make sure that you give it a good trim, which should be around 1/2 inch as a minimum every 3 to 4 months. By doing so, you eliminate ATS of growing damaged locks and strands and at the same time, get rid of the undesirable split ends. By regularly getting a trim, you are preparing yourself for an optimum growth to give you that long, beautiful and seductive hair every woman has always wanted to have. 2. Knead your scalp on a regular basis. Since massaging the scalp can enhance better blood circulation in the head, the is no doubt that a good massage can activate the follicles which are necessary for hair to grow. Regular head rub can also purge damaged hairs which are known to make hair growth on turtle mode. 3. Steer clear of stress and consume a balanced diet. Avoid applying harsh chemicals, heat or pressure to your tresses as they can weaken and slow down growth. There is actually no need for you to use the curling or straightening iron if you are bent on growing your crown. Instead, make sure you eat a balanced diet which includes consuming foods abundant in both protein and iron. Hence, stay healthy and your hair will grow much faster at one fell swoop. 4. Use moisturizers habitually. Make sure you use conditioners or other moisturizing lotions and oils to avoid damaged ends or that are more popularly known as the split ends. You have the option to use jojoba oil or coconut oil, or perhaps some gentle leave-in conditioners that you have tried and tested in the past. 5. Take time to inspect your shampoos. Try using hair growth products such as Neutrogena, Keracare or Nexus if you have not tried using them yet. You may use them to shampoo on a regular basis, that is, 2 times in a week, or perhaps apply some protein conditioners once in every month to make sure you get strong and healthy hair that is beautiful. Otherwise, if you are not so sure about the products you are planning to use, then make sure to meticulously scrutinize the ingredients to be on the safe side. 6. Gulp down at least 8 glasses of water every day. Although it may sound cliché to you, yes, adequate intake of water has been proven to likewise help any woman who aims to become the Rapunzel that she wants. Now, there is no more reason why you should wait before you follow these tips and tricks for getting the long hair that you want. How long does it take you to dry your hair? Do you ever get tired of holding onto your hair dryer for however long it takes to dry your hair? The reason I ask this is because most people that have a lot of hair get tired from holding their hair dryer, and that is why I want to make sure that you know there is such thing as a lightweight hair dryer. Most people don't realize that you can get a full-size hair dryer that is much lighter than the one you are using now. The biggest and most obvious benefit of a lightweight hair dryer is the fact that it is lightweight. The reason why this benefits you is because you will not get as tired when you hold it, and they are much easier to maneuver. Most people think that using a hair dryer is TTY simple, and in reality it is, but if have a lot of hair and you have to put the hair dryer in weird positions, then you might not think it is so easy. What I would recommend is to simply get yourself a lightweight hair dryer and see the difference. It will be like night and day. Another benefit of the lightweight hair dryer is that if you ever want to travel, then you do not have to worry about packing a huge hair dryer. This is perfect for people that fly because a regular hair dryer can weigh up to 4 pounds, and as we all know, the cost of a heavy bag is roughly half the cost of a hair dryer. When it comes to traveling light, it is very important that you look at what you are taking with you, because sometimes just getting lighter luggage, or in this case a lightweight hair dryer, will really pay off. The final thing you need to understand about lightweight hair dryers is that they have just as much power as the regular hair dryers. Not only do they have as much power as a regular hair dryer, but some of them will even use less power, which is a great thing if you are trying to conserve energy. Just know that when it comes to using a good hair dryer, you need to think about a lightweight hair dryer because they really work better than you would ever expect. Okay friends, like this video, share your friends, tell your comments the comment box. Click on the subscribe button below to see new videos. Also press the bell button. Read description for more information. Thanks for watching.